This weather report brought to you by Hyundai Tucson. Imagine tomorrow's car today.
Families feeling the pinch of rising prices are taking action to reduce their cost of living. Whether you're a family with 4 children or retirees looking to downsize, there are big savings to be made in every household budget. Our expert shows you how.
For David and Alison Turner, the game of life with 4 kids has taken a financial spin.
Recently, it's just the food, fuel, and just general cost of living, like sharp increases.
The Dacabin parents both work, but as fast as money comes in, it gets chewed up.
We're probably spending over $300 a week just on food.
That was until financial planner Michael Kerr crunched the numbers. He found buying generic brands, sticking to a menu plan and ordering groceries online every week could save almost $8,000 a year.
Most people go to the shops and just buy when they're there. They don't really think about what they're going to buy.
Changing electricity providers, bundling insurance and cheaper phone and data plans put more than $2,000 back in their pocket. But it's the family mortgage that's a savings goldmine. Switching to a lower interest rate saved $4,000 this year. Plus, shifting to fortnightly payments pays down principal faster, cuts interest and wipes 7 years off the mortgage. It would save the Turners $84,000 in interest over the life of the loan.
The better you plan, the more you're on the front foot.
It took a big step for Kedron retirees Diane and Peter Cox to downsize their home.
Has made just a huge difference to our lives.
Their electricity and water bills halved, their council rates significantly cheaper, and shifting to one car saved almost $6,000 a year.
It saved us heaps, so we can actually do what we want when we want now without any worries at all.
Swapping super funds for a better deal also bolstering the nest egg, leaving more money to spoil the grandkids. Kendall Gilding, 7 News.
Well, the time now, Tony, that's the last of the sunshine for a few days.
Yes, it is, Max. It was a sunny morning, but it clouded over pretty quickly this afternoon, and we're not going to see much blue sky for a while yet. A little cooler today thanks to a change in wind direction and that bit of afternoon cloud. Ipswich warmest on 22 degrees. A few showers building around the Bay Islands this afternoon. Onto the satellite. Cooler southerly winds being pushed along our coast from a high near Tasmania here. Tomorrow, that high stays slow moving, but as a trough develops in the Coral Sea here, both of those systems push up against each other to strengthen winds right along the Queensland coast. Across the capitals tomorrow, Melbourne and Hobart have some sunshine on the way, but after a very cold morning. Back to northern Queensland, a dry start, then cloud and showers building on the coast, possibly tending to light rain late in the day. In the south, cloud and light showers start to pick up pretty much right along the coast and inland towards the Maranoa and Warrego. A line of heavier showers and storms further west near Charleville. Looking ahead, here are the forecast rain totals for southern Queensland until Sunday. A few coastal spots here could push over 50 millimetres, but lighter falls as soon as you move inland a bit. These numbers can still change, but it is a rough guide for now. In the southeast tomorrow, coastal winds start to strengthen, gusts pushing 50 k's an hour for the Sunshine Coast, a little bit lighter further south. Showers also get a bit of extra oomph, mostly near those coastal areas, but a couple of drops pushing further inland. A little bit cooler, 10 up to 18 degrees for Mount Gravatt, tops of 19 for most other locations across the suburbs here. Boaties, strong wind warnings for the bay and offshore, southeast winds reaching 30 knots. So in Brisbane, a few showers, more likely from late morning into the afternoon, 12 up to 19 degrees. Then looking ahead, showers tend to rain by late Thursday, continuing through Friday before potentially easing back to showers late, cooling down 18 degrees for both days. Then a few more dry breaks on the weekend, especially inland around Ipswich, partly cloudy tops in the early 20s there. Gold Coasters, you can expect a few showers to linger on Saturday before eventually clearing on Sunday. And on the Sunshine Coast, very strong winds and large waves on the beaches from tomorrow. They should eventually ease around next Monday. Sharyn, Max, who says weather's quiet in winter?
It is all happening. Thank you, Tony. Now, before we go, here's a look at special reports we have for you tomorrow night.
In 7 News at 6, the super strength COVID vaccine, when it will be available and should you wait.
We need as many people protected as possible.
Plus, beating the cost of living, the biggest online supermarket sale, up to 50% off, staying COVID safe while doing the groceries. On 7 News, Queensland's news.
And that is all from us this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
From all the team, have a good night.
Good night.